Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain CASHPRO app review to save it what you. So let's quickly dive into it. The CASHPRO is Bank of American business focused app that help companies manage payment, deposit, loan and trade finance all in one platform. It's designed for convenience, letting you approve large transactions securely from anywhere with features like biometric login, QR sign-in, and multi-layered approval for corporate client, and the added insight and forecast tools which make it a powerful way to stay on the top of cash flow and financial decision. On the downside, CASHPRO isn't built for individual or small business. Its complexity and setup are geared towards large organizations with treasury need. Access is also limited to Bank of America corporate clients, which makes it less flexible than other financial management tools. So in conclusion, CASHPRO is worth using if you are a mid to large business using a BOA commercial service, but unnecessary if you are looking for a simple or a simpler banking solution. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.